This human organ on a chip is designed to replace animal testing. The device can mimic key functions of organs in a human body. These chips provide an alternative solution to cell cultures and animal testing, which sometimes fail to accurately represent the living biology of human tissues and organs. With over 100 million animals used in laboratory experiments worldwide each year, and the limitations of animal studies in translating to human biology, organs on a chip offer a promising avenue. These small chips, about the size of a USB flash drive, consist of flexible, translucent polymers and feature tiny hollow channels lined with living human cells from specific organs. By pumping nutrients, air, blood, and test compounds through these channels, the chips recreate the complex interactions within human tissue systems. Organs on a chip have diverse applications, including disease modeling, personalized medicine, and drug testing tailored to individual patients. They also allow for real-time imaging and monitoring of living cells in high resolution. Various organs on a chip models have been developed, such as lung, kidney, liver, heart, bone marrow, and gut on a chip. These models have been utilized to study cancer cell interactions, asthma, and more. On top of that, personalized organs on a chip can be constructed using stem cells derived from patients, creating customized models for specific individuals. Scientists are currently advancing the concept of human on a chip, which integrates multiple chips representing different organs interconnected through channels. This holistic approach enables the prediction of drug toxicity on the whole body and offers unprecedented insights into the biological mechanisms and physiological behaviors of multiple organs in the human body.